August ni so pan hi sang ni som ni paru gani Strait of Hormuz anin kap le tlat nge amzi dilen pe fel nai ani kap le awan boy thak riegang.
Talks of progress on one side, force on the other. Washington and Tehran claim they want peace. But what's actually playing out on the water tells a different story.
Kakania. Lelama chade na in bia lelama in kap le ya. US le Iran te hianin. In rem siami kan du ani anti ve ya. Amaro so ka soi mai ni ataka hian anti lang thin law ni heram pan hi himo in ti vel to ila.
The United States has fired missiles at Panama-flagged cargo vessel in the Gulf.
Panama-flagged cargo vessel. United States te hianin an be ni.
For Hmar.
A U.S. Navy MH-60 helicopter fired 2 Hellfire missiles in.
A U.S. Navy MH-60 helicopter hianin Hellfire missile hi Lawng pakhat vela nova engine room a hianin akap ani akana chan po he longa chuang te hianin US Navy te thupek hi anlo ignore wang te poni the hi US Central Command lampang hianin an ron soyomo chunin hei thil pakhat poimo deu chu hetiang vel thil thalo deu athen lai vel hianin CCTV thadeu nei hi a poimo a chu wang chunin triggered surveillance and security system te hianin tuna hianin longtaya CCTV sales drive aron kalpui mekani CCTV anron discount treu dona midain an renan titlom shima tin CCTV servicing du te tan po CCTV neya alo thafak to lo ni te po hanin servicing turin in ti tir theve kani heng triggered surveillance and security system te himo an rin tak an thiam ko an nuam customer care tha em bok chumi ani wang tak reng chonin Hmar business network apo tel thei ani triggered surveillance and security system sales drive an nei don long tlaya voina heron peidona tunkar in rin ni theng longa event na sa lero hey free installation puilo tuk okay nan reaction zomang
into the Vela Nova's engine room after the ship's civilian crew ignored repeated warnings from American forces. The ship is no longer transiting to Iran in violation of the U.S. blockade.
Voitam taka warning an pe ani. Voitam taka warning an pe amero chu ati warning an pek po kha an zom lo ani. Chu wang chu anin US sipai te hian te hin an be pop mai tu ta hi chonin the ship is no longer transiting to Iran. In violation of the US blockade, which remains in full effect. Hemi longa hi bungro phur longa hi Iran lampang panalo tumani. Chutianga Iran lampang pan tuma akal chu hetiang hianin United States sipai te hianin an lo dang ta te na ani an lo ka pop mai engine beran ka che chuan long tang hanin han kal ngai na ham to don lo shrim
Blockade, which remains in full effect.
Well, the target was not the entire ship. The missile struck the ship's engine room and disabled its steering gear. However, it is not clear if anyone on board was hurt.
Tu na hianin hliam an mem ala shelo. Thi chun omchi longa maro chu hliam an mem ti chu shelo. Chuanin engine room hi te hianin an ka chiat saka. Chuanin hemia wang hianin long hi a steering an ti chiat sak. Long hi a steering a chiani he te hian. Sencom lampang chun chepop mai ne.
This marks the third time the U.S. has forcibly halted a ship since reinstating the blockade on July the 14th.
July ni som palin nuwa naval blockade an ron ti le nu khan avoi thum nan United States sipai te hian hetiang hianin long hi an lo bei le ta ane. Soi tong hanin le lama anin dor anin bia te hin le lama lo kap le boka he long te po Iran pan tur ni.
As of August 11th, CENTCOM has redirected 55 commercial vessels.
August ni som pakhat atang khanin CENTCOM lampang hianin long som nga panga US na hetianga blockade an lo kalpui hi khatianga bo chiat vatum khan oma chuanin heta hianin long pathum hi an be to ani chunin long panhin lon chil to boka tuna hianin United States sipai te hi an in ring khop mai ni khulampang Strait of Hormuz vela chuamo
vessels attempting to run the blockade, disabled 3 non-compliant vessels and boarded 2. U.S. forces operating in West Asia are highly vigilant, lethal, and ready.
So what exactly is a Hellfire missile? You've probably heard the name before. The Hellfire. Sounds something out of a war film, right?
Hellfire missile. Nia kalash ting Hellfire missile hi aming tu kasha to tho amaro cho enge ani tak hi kalash biglo.
The real story is less cinematic. It stands for Hellborne Laser Fire and Forget Missile, a short-range air-to-surface weapon that Lockheed Martin first built for the U.S. Army back in 1984.
Lockheed Martin te hianin US sipai te tan hianin kum sakhat zakwa somriat pali dei to an lo siam sak tuna hianin an lo la mang ve ngar ne om je chu a tha om hle mai helicopter te tan big mo Hellfire missile he chuanin aming rap thak ang hu hianin ani na taka hi chu rap thak chuang lo.
Originally meant to destroy tanks, now used for precision strikes on far wider range of targets.
Atira ha chuanin tank ka chiat na siam kha ani amaro chu na chuanin thil chi sang atang khanin an mang to ane.
Each missile weighs about 40
kg somli panga rik rik thave tho mai kg somli panga chu
5 kilograms and can travel at more than 1,450 kilometers per hour.
Thok chak rem hle mai missile ka chuan I to chu 1,450 kilometers per hour a chak rem hle mai Mizoram ma chuanin kongpui ate po khanin 2 kan tlan te po khanin a chak kan ti ne dra motor phei chan he missile hi chu 1,450 kilometers per hour bon khop mai.
The Hellfire is designed to punch through heavy armor, but when it hits a ship's engine room, that power can damage the systems that move the vessel, so the aim is to stop the ship from moving without
Lawng hi ka pilan tum kher lo ni om je chu hemi missile mang hianin Lawng hi ka pilan tum lo ama ro chu Lawng kha khoi che thei ani to lo na tur tan le control ani thei to lo na tur tan khanin tiang hian mang threin ani it's very precise a thakop mai he tiang hi
outsinking the entire vessel, a tactic the US has leaned on throughout its blockade of Iranian ports. By now, 3 words have become part of the vocabulary of the US-Iran war: missiles, a fragile truce, and diplomacy.
Missile, a fragile truce le diplomacy missile hi chunia kan thu soingun berte jinga mi ani US le Iran in kara hi chon US le Iran video kan react on hi chon missile soi login video hi a siam thailo chuanin a fragile truce hei poi mo kho mai a chan chuanin rem hlei thailo anin rem don chuanin kap le thina chuanin diplomacy in viak rem na in rem na he thila hi chu kan soi ve ji ani US le Iran video siam chuan mo
Then there's one place at the center of it all: the Strait of Hormuz, a waterway both Washington and Tehran now claim to control. Trump himself repeated that claim on Monday, insisting the US has total control over the strait.
Monday kan react to Trump kha chon in Strait of Hormuz United States today na noya pum hlum to ani atiani khatinga tin hu khanin Iran lampang te kha an sipai ho tu lu poi mo te han lo in ruat thar vele sap mai boka.
They've been coming in and they're going out, so it's actually open now. We do not let them go into Iran. They're not admitted into the strait to go to Iran, but it's open for others. Now, a little bit complex because they will, on occasion, drop a mine, and we find the mines. You know, we've mine swept the entire strait, as you probably maybe heard, maybe you didn't hear, but we control the strait 100%.
Strait of Hormuz is za kan control the pop mai Donald Trump patrol mo tak ni mo yom chia la wa amaro chu Iran te na boman kamruk ang chi te po kha US te chuanin an thian fai vek to ani.
But Trump's claims didn't just stop at Hormuz. He flipped the script entirely. When Iran demanded compensation for war damages, Trump turned the tables, insisting it should be Iran paying up instead.
Yeah, well, we're going to ask for money.
Hey, tak hilom ni thang so Iran te hian in Donald Trump pathen na hian in kan ram min ron be iti chiat man zong hi min pele tu ran iti in Iran te hian in Trump hi an thrilani a om lutuk an chan chu United States te hian in an bom chiat na sat sak lutuk ani chu wang chuani nang ni pon omin ti ka ring United States te hian in Iran rama an ka chiat zong hi enge poisa pe se mi zong hian an om an ti ka ring awaro chu Iran hian in hetianga Trump laka an be se yang che hi Trump chuanin Iran te po hian in choi tur lom kum som nga don chung Iran in lo ti chiat to man hi in pek ve ngai lom ti le mak mai ni Donald Trump hi mo pui thin
tables insisting it should be Iran paying up instead.
Yeah, well, we're going to ask for money for the damage they've done over a 50-year period. Whether you go SS Cole or whether you go all of the people that were...
Kami apoy mo chin ho chu kan react zaw ni mai. Apoy mo bera chuan in United States hian in Panama flag tanker Iran pan tumakal hi. United States sipaiten voi tam tak warning an pe amaro chu warning ai poi mo lo ting hen United States sipaite chuan in engine room an ka chiat sakta thile hliam an om hriat alani lo chuan Iran le United States te hi tuna hian in deal an siam thei mai thei ti hi ala ni ri ani an siam don nge don lo ra she chuang lo amaro chu tuna boru kan lan dana hi chuanin indo tak he chu an indo to lo mel tuna ri hi chuan indo to chia lo mel nin alang ri nakina chuanin boru kharon ni thak le thu thei tho ka khatun din mun ani video la kan mun la theu don ya